Welcome back to Daily Drives, where we bring you the latest insights, updates, and reviews on the most exciting vehicles of tomorrow. If you're passionate about innovation on wheels, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Today, we're diving into a compact urban legend making a bold return in 2026. The Daihatsu Tanto *. Daihatsu has long been known for crafting practical, space-efficient vehicles, especially within Japan's Kai-car segment. The 2026 Tanto continues that legacy, but with a serious modern twist. It's no longer just a small boxy car meant for squeezing through narrow alleys. It's a tech-forward urban transporter that mixes intelligent engineering with contemporary design. From the outside, the 2026 Tanto maintains its iconic tallboy proportions, but everything else has evolved. The front fascia now sports sleek LED headlamps that curve subtly into the fenders, giving the car a more upscale and futuristic look. A redesigned grille and a sharper front bumper bring a more dynamic presence to the road. Even though it's compact, the design elements add a certain boldness that makes the Tanto feel more premium than ever before. But where the Daihatsu Tanto 2026 really shines is on the inside. Step in and you'll be surprised by how spacious and cleverly designed everything is. Thanks to the high roofline and flat floor, headroom and legroom are impressive, especially for a Kai car. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument panel is now fully digital, offering customization options and smart alerts based on driving behavior. Daihatsu has also focused on improving comfort and convenience in this new generation. The front passenger seat folds flat to extend cargo space or act as a lounge surface. The sliding rear doors, one of the Tanto's signature features, now have hands-free opening using foot sensors, making it incredibly practical for families or urban commuters with their hands full under the hood. The 2026 Tanto is powered by a 660cc three-cylinder engine, adhering to Kai-car regulations. But now it's supported by a mild hybrid system, giving it a little extra boost when needed and significantly improving fuel efficiency. The engine may not be sporty, but it's incredibly efficient and smooth for city driving. Plus, the hybrid assist makes starts and stops much quieter and more refined. Ideal for stop-and-go traffic in dense urban areas. For those looking for a more eco-friendly option. Daihatsu has also introduced a fully electric version of the Tanto in select markets. This model offers a small but efficient battery pack that provides up to 200 kilometers of range, more than enough for daily commuting within the city. With fast charging capabilities and regenerative braking, it's a smart move toward a greener future without compromising the practicality the Tanto is known for. Safety-wise, the 2026 Daihatsu Tanto gets a big upgrade. It now includes Daihatsu's Smart Assist system, which bundles features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pedestrian detection, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle also comes equipped with a 360-degree camera and parking sensors, making tight urban parking a stress-free experience. One of the most talked-about additions is the new voice-controlled personal assistant integrated into the infotainment system. Whether it's adjusting the air conditioning, finding a destination, or even checking traffic, the AI-powered assistant ensures minimal distraction and hands-free control. And let's not forget how customizable this vehicle is. Daihatsu offers multiple trim levels, vibrant color options, and even modular storage solutions that let you tailor the Tanto to your specific needs. Whether you're a student, a city dweller, or a small family looking for a second car, in terms of pricing, Daihatsu has managed to keep the Tanto competitively priced. While the base model remains budget-friendly, higher trims with more advanced tech and safety features offer excellent value for money. Given the rising costs of vehicles worldwide, it's refreshing to see a car that offers so much without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Daihatsu Tanto 2026 is more than just a compact city car. It's a smart, versatile and efficient solution for the modern urban lifestyle. With upgraded technology, enhanced safety features, and clever space utilization, it proves that good things still come in small packages. Whether you're navigating tight city streets, transporting kids, or just running errands, the Tanto continues to be one of the most practical and stylish choices in the Kai car category. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Daihatsu Tanto 2026, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What feature impressed you the most? Would you consider the Tanto for your next urban ride? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our future car reviews and updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.